We're going to go ahead and take a look at adding widgets to your website. So when you're in your KV core, you're in your top right, you click on your name, go 3 down, click on this and it opens up your website. When you're in your website, these are what's called a widget. So if someone says, hey, I want to get a home, I'll show you how to clean them up as well. You're going to come here, click on get financing, opens up the link so your lender can apply. They want a free CMA to see what their home is worth. You click it, boom, opens up. They get a free CMA to see what their home is worth. They want to join your company, put it right here. You click on that link and it opens up, and then get a free link. So this is what happens when you click it. It opens up to your career page or wherever your link page would be for your brokerage. You also have, if someone wants to be on your website and only see like homes, I only want to see condos, I only want to see land, it's going to show everything in your MLS. This is directly linked through your website, your KV core, of course, to your IDX feed from your MLS. So to set these up, when you're in your KV core, you go right here and you click lead engine. Actually, you're going to click web and IDX. Make sure we go to the right spot. You click web and IDX and it pops up, and you're going to click widgets. Now when you add widgets to your website, it's a 2-step process. First, you're going to put, yours will probably be blank, which is fine. You're going to push them from the left over to the right. And then after you push them from the left over to the right, you're going to go and then you're going to add them to the website. So the first thing, I like these 5 widgets. These are the ones I recommend in this order. It doesn't matter which way you move them to the right. It just matters the way you put them on the website. So for example, if this was blank, I would find financing default, and you go right here, financing default, you click add, it jumps over, and then once you get there, it's there. And you add all of them over, these 5, and then you're going to go back again and click add, and then append. Once you click append, that's going to add it to the website. It doesn't matter which way you add them over to the right side. It only matters the way you put them on the website. So when you put them on the website, make sure you do financing and home worth first, because that's your buyer sellers, then the open house, and then the recruit to bring people to your broker, and then the default. The default one always goes last because it takes up the whole bottom. So again, you're going to take them, move them from the left to the right, and then click add append for one, and then add append for the next one, and make sure you do them in this order. And then once you do it, you're going to hit refresh, and then after you hit refresh, you'll come to your website. Again, to go to the website, top right, click on your name, go 3 down, click on the world, and make sure that they're there. If something's screwed up and they're not in the right order, you did it twice for some reason or whatever, you just go click clear website content, and then it's going to say, are you sure? And you're going to hit yes. Now when you click that, these 5 are still going to be here, so don't think it's going to clear this side. And then you just re-add them. Then you hit add append, add append, add append, add append, add append. Make sure you just do it once for each one, and sometimes it takes a second to go through depending on your internet speed. And then once you have them all in there and you checked your website and made sure they're there, you're going to click web and IDX again, and right here where it says template, you're going to go to site editor. And once you click site editor, you're going to know you're on the right page by it's going to have this weird black box. Now just do what we tell you here, because this is coding. And once you go, you're going to change the financing one. You're going to click here where it says start today, and the third link says edit link. You're going to click on that, and you're going to put in, you're going to delete what's in there, and you're going to put in your mortgage company you like. You're going to put their link in there. And where it says get the text, you're going to leave that alone. So again, put your mortgage application link, and this is not their website like Caliber Home Loans or something. This is the actual link where they're going to start the application. You want to make it simple. Then you click open a new tab and then update. And then you do the same for join our team. Open the link, put your career link there for your company. Open a new tab, update, and then again, what my home worth, you can hit edit link. I like these to open a new tab so I don't mess up with the URL. Just open a new tab and update, and this one the same way. Don't mess the URL, just open a new tab and update. The only URL you're going to change is join our team and get financing. And the other two, you just open them in new tab. And then it has this small 3.5-inch floppy. You're going to click on that to save it. And once you click on that to save, it's going to say all changes have been saved. See, save successful. If you don't do this last step to save it, then it's not going to save it and you're going to lose them. And then once you save them, you can close out again that tab and go to your name in the top right, back in KV Core, 3 down, click on your website, and then come back and check the links. Make sure they work. All right, great. Mine are working. Everything looks good. It's still branded correctly. Perfect. And if everything is good, you're good to go. You now have instantly, they just come, they get a loan, they get their value, they check open houses, they join your company. They can easily start a search. It's all right there. The widgets are super easy, and you just tweaked them, and within 5 minutes, you see how easy that is. The main thing is to put the right links, and just make sure when you do the site editor, you hit that little save 3.5-inch floppy at the top.